Hey crafty friends, I have a design team project for ASC Supplies on Etsy, and I wanted to show you because I just pulled this up because I couldn't remember the name of this collection. It's just called Garden, but look at the price difference. This one is from ASC Supplies, $10.75. This is another Etsy store, $13.45, and another Etsy store, $13.95. So yeah, ASC Supplies on Etsy. And their shipping is great and fast, and customer service is the bomb. So I made some cards with this absolutely beautiful collection, and I had fun. All right, let's get the ball rolling. Okay. Here is the first card, and this window is actually a cut apart from the cover sheet. So I was able to utilize that window from the cover sheet. I don't have the full side over here, but honestly, you don't even really focus on that because of the pretty flowers. So when you open up this card, it says, Happy Mother's Day. So I printed Happy Mother's Day on here, and when I put it in the cellophane wrapper, it'll have this on the back so people will know what's inside and they won't need to take it out and open it up. So that is card number one. So I did one of these for each one. This is card number two, and this is also a cut apart from the cover page. So there's all of these little images of papers that are on the inside, and I utilize those. So obviously this is the front of a bicycle. It has a basket on it, and on the paper it's filled with flowers, but I wanted to add dimensional flowers. And I added a lot of metals to these because they're flat, and I wanted to keep these, other than the flowers, I wanted to keep them rather flat. Laces and trims, and then Happy Mother's Day. All right. Then we've got this one, Thinking of You, Mom. And this is from a full-size 12 by 12 sheet. So I cut that piece out, and that's just what's on here. There's no layers of paper. I added the flowers, obviously where the flowers are on the paper. And this is just a card that I got in the $1.50 Joann's bin. And then inside, Thinking of You, Mom. So these cards, other than two that I'm going to tell you are not for sale, all these will be for sale on eBay. And I always link that in the description box down below. This one says, A lucky few have a mother like you. And here it is. This is a little cut apart from the collection. This little square part with the birdhouse. And it does have sunflowers on it. It says, My garden feeds my soul. Best mom ever. And I did stamp that on there. And I just did a little flower cluster. I added some leaves and some greenery in there. There's some lace and then 2 layers of yellow trim. That opens up. A lucky few have a mother like you. All right. So is that 4 Mother's Day cards? I think the rest are... Well, let me show you the 2, or no, I'll save that for the end. Okay, this one says, Just a Note. And that is also from a 12 by 12 page in the collection, the full bicycle, and I added the dimensional flowers to the basket. I added a couple metal corners, and then you open it up and it says, Just a Note. I loved this. I loved this so much. I hope you guys like it, and we'll go get this collection. All right, another one that says Just a Note. And this is from this is from a 12 by 12 page, I believe. Anyway, there's no flowers on the paper under here, but because there's flowers up here, I did want to kind of create a flower cluster because it seemed kind of blank on this side. It says "Fly Away With Me" on the front. Got the metal corners, and inside, just a note. Here's another one, just a note. And this one, this sentiment actually comes as a cut apart in the collection. It says it takes a long time to grow an old friend. I did distress all the paper, and I really hurt my hand doing that. If you guys know me, you know I had hand surgery about 5 weeks ago. So that was like pretty rough doing that. I had a bad day after spending 2 hours distressing. So I added these pretty metal pieces. I love those. And I do get my metals from Butterbee Scraps. Open it up, just a note. And then the last two, I created these to send to my mother. And my mother, she likes simple cards. So this is going to be her Mother's Day card that I'm going to send her. And it's simple. It's got a little lace here. It's got a little lace here. It's got the metal, but it's flat, and that's what she likes. She doesn't like it super dimensional. Picky, picky, picky. And you open it up. There's nothing above a mother's love. And I don't know why I stamped it, because obviously I don't need that. And then I have a matching envelope. So that's from my mom. And she loves hydrangeas. She loves them. So that's what she's getting. And then I saved this one to just send her for... Well, this one's stamped also on the inside. It says "Life Began in a Garden." And it's got the pots with the pretty vines coming out. There's nothing above a mother's love. Oh, darn. I wanted to send this to her. But I think the other one's more appropriate. So this one, I might add some greenery to this one and then put this one for sale too. So anyway, if you see any of these that you like, check out the link in the description box down below. I don't know how soon this will, well, I'll make sure I get them listed before. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you will head over to ASC Supplies, check out their shipping discounts, and they have a Facebook page, and they have a lot of stuff going on. All those links will be in the description box down below. And remember, great prices, great shipping, quick, super quick shipping. I love it. I live in Denver. She's in like Atlanta area, and I get my order in 3 days. All right. Have a happy, scrappy day. Bye, guys.